I head the legal and compliance team at Branch, and this is our office. When I first came into the office, after it was done, my first impression was, wow, this is really clean. I like the fact that, we went easy on the colors. It wasn't too much. Our brand colors were properly represented.
Working with Spazio on this project has been a breeze, basically. Spazio has been very professional from the beginning of the project to the end of the project. I think, just giving them the brief about what we wanted, and we were coming from having worked remotely for the past 2 years, and we wanted a space where employees could come into whenever they felt like. There were a lot of ideas. We wanted it to be playful. We also wanted it to be functional, being that we're in the financial services space. So we had to do a blend of the playful and the corporate, and Spazio delivered on that. Every employee who has come into the office has really liked the space.
Working on Project Branch was spectacular. We worked with the team at Branch to create a space that was true to their core values, that projected them in the light that they wanted to. The project was amazing. We were able to deliver the project on time, in scope, and in budget. The team at Spazio Ideally, the combination of architects, designers, and project team members, were able to create this space to help Branch achieve the productivity and foresight that they have for their space.
So walking into the space, the first thing that came to mind was, wow, it's very bright. We wanted a space that was, very well lit, somewhere where you would come into and you wouldn't feel a sense of doom, like, oh, I'm coming to work, and it feels like work.
It's a space where you definitely want to spend some time. Folks spend most of their time, away from their homes or their families while they're at office, 8 hours at work. You want to make the space such that, it is the ambience and how you feel while you're here is such that it puts you in a relaxing mood. And yeah, Spazio has done a great job with that. I like how the entire space looks.
When I first got into this space, the first thing I thought was it looked really clean and it looked fresh. I think it captures all the essence of the brand without doing too much. All our colors are shown in the best way possible. I like so many spaces here. Like this one we are in now is one of my favorite spaces. It's supposed to be the lounge, and I can't wait to see what all the team members are going to do with this space.
Our meeting spaces or our meeting rooms are named after certain markets or certain places in Nigeria, and I think my favorite space will be the Onitsha room.
So my favorite place in the entire office is the lounge, the game area, where you can come in and relax. I'd like to say also maybe the kitchen, because I like food.
So I think for the most part, a lot of people have gotten comfortable with working from home, especially when you get your job done. So you don't really feel the need to go to an office space. So when you are coming out to a space like this, the first thing you're thinking about is comfortability. Is it going to be as comfortable as my home? And I think with the different spaces you've created, if you look at the lounge room or the different small cubicle meeting rooms that people can also sit and relax, I think you've delivered on that.